if you have a service-based business, well, I would start with just creating your website and making sure that every service you have, you create a page for it. Okay, that's one of the most important things. You need to have a page, not just a services page where you list all of the things that you do. You need to have a landing page, an individual page showing the service that you provide as well as the location that you're servicing. So if you're located in Marietta.
And what level of services, right? The plumber is too broad.
Correct.
Right? But plumber that installs fixtures outside is too specific. So what kind of things?
If you are a plumber, you probably, fix water heaters. Now, a person may have a water heater burst. But you might have a page for frozen frozen pipes.
Got it.
You also need to have a page for emergency plumber.
Right. So you're things that people would search for.
A person would typically search for their problem. So if I have a problem with my water heater, I'm going to search for a water heater company in my area.